going to take 2 today. What's left of me for a bit of sashimi or something. Wowzers. What's going on? Here we go, northern bluefin tuna. Very nice, or a longtail. They're beautiful eating, so I'm very happy with this guy. I might get 1 or 2 more, hopefully. I won't be eating baked beans tonight. I'll get a couple or 3 and then give a lot of it away and keep a lot in the freezer for me, for winter. All right, let's try and get some more, eh? Yo. See if we can land this one. I've run out of battery GoPro, so that's alright. We'll do this and get back to you. That's a bigger one. Here we go, the second one. I'm just going to take 2 today. Oh, I'm a bit tired. After I missed one, big one that fought for hours. Well, half an hour. Alright, sacrifice. Thank you to the ocean. Oh, if I keep going like that, I don't need a haircut. Alright, I'll see you down the track and we'll cook this tuna up sometime. Okay, catch you later, see ya. Big fella, this must be his spot. G'day, welcome back. Not in the kayak today, something a little bit different. I'm down the beach here, so nice and isolated. I had to four-wheel drive up here a little bit, so yeah, very nice. So I'm just relaxing here, Always cook before the sun goes down when you're camping, otherwise it's a bit tricky. So that longtail tuna I caught just a couple of weeks back now, I froze it for a bit, and then I thawed it out and put it with miso paste. So miso paste is beautiful. It's got that seaweed savoury flavour, so that's infusing into this tuna. I've had it in the fridge for about 2 hours now. So, whoa, the pan's hot. So I'm going to do a nice and simple dish. I'm basically just going to let the tuna speak for itself and just serve it with some nice vegetables. So I've got the water boiling here, and what I'll do, I'll go in with the tuna. Bit rough and ready with camping. Ugh. So I should have put a bit of sesame oil in first. And have it on a medium heat. That tuna is going to cook pretty quick. So, and you want it sort of medium rare, if not, well, rare probably. So you want it sort of nice and pink in the middle. And just separate that up. Sizzle, sizzle, it smells good. I've also sprinkled sesame seeds around it, so they're not just for show. It also adds an extra element and a little bit more texture and a little bit more flavour as well. I really enjoy them. So I'll let that fry off. And while that's cooking, I'm going to chop up some veggies and just sort of have it, like I was saying before, really quite simple. You'd think I'd be more organised when I'm on land, but I think in the kayak I'm much more organised. I know where everything goes, whereas here I'm sort of making it up as I go along. Alright, so whatever vegetables you like, it doesn't really matter. I've got some zucchini or courgette. Nice and sharp that knife now, blimey. Keep an eye on that tuna. I always think it's fascinating, so I'm sitting here just relaxing, but you'll see that footage I put up before this of when I actually caught the tuna. So it was all systems go, sort of really chaotic, and you know, but you have to stay in the zone and stay calm. But then I can reflect now. I'm like, holy moly, I was out there on that island, you know, by myself, and wake you up and go and catch those tuna, and now I'm relaxing on a beach, you know, a long way from anyone, off the grid. So yeah, with about 6 foot of surf behind me. You probably can't see it, but that's the difference, isn't it? I can relax now, nothing to worry about, and I've got some free food. Alright, so I've got carrots, zucchini, mushrooms, hopping around, a little bit of, I think it's Chinese cabbage, this one. May as well use the whole lot. How's that going? Wow. Nice, so I just want that seared on the outside. That beautiful, beautiful tuna. Responsibly sourced, I know where that came from. Alright, spinach. Keep me healthy. What else we got? I'll do in the pot. We get paranoid someone's sneaking up behind me. I'm in the middle of nowhere, but you never know. Well, I saw a big goanna earlier, huge goanna, so they're a little bit, got to keep your eye on them. They might sneak up on you too. Gotta let the vegetables cook for a little bit, because these little thin noodles, they take like 2 minutes. So they're tiny, tiny rice noodles. So I'm gonna throw them in when the vegetables are about a minute away from being done, and drain that off, and that's aside, and that's ready to go. You can even have that as a salad cold if you want to, but I'm just basically going to serve it with this tuna, so it's going to be great. Alright, so I've got a little element at the end which is a bit different, keep you on your toes, but that's just going to finish off that beautiful tuna and add a different sort of element, so I'll keep you updated on that, but I'll turn these and I'll get back to you. Alright, so I turn them over, vegetables are done, in with the rice noodles, turn them right off, the residual heat's going to cook them off, so the tuna's got 1 minute to go I reckon. Bit of chilli, quick smart. I'm going to leave a little bit to garnish here. Mainly all in. Okay, like I said, a little bit of quickness here. Butter or any alternative that you like. I don't mind this stuff, it's quite good. A little bit less dairy, but it's okay. Don't tell the chef that. That's cooking away. I've got a bit of ginger. I'll chuck a little bit of ginger in here. That'll do. That butter infusing with the tuna. Those noodles down. Alright. Tuna's basically done. So that butter's just going to enrich it, make it really quite nice. Secret ingredient. Bit of Saké. Ohayou gozaimasu. Ready to go. So this is going to deglaze the pan, emulsify with the butter, and create a glaze around that tuna. So it's going to be beautiful. Ooh. Wow. Not bad. Alright, let's get that deglaze. A bit more. Get it blazing a bit. There we go. It's going to burn off any alcohol. There we go. So the flame just went out. And that's it. Vegetables are done. I've just got to drain them off. Hey. The birds are singing in the background. A little bit of coriander. Alright. Keep that as a garnish. What I'm going to do is just put a little splash of soy. Not much, just a little bit. Ooh, yummy butter glazed Saké infusion. Not bad. Veggies. Those rice noodles are stirred and make sure they're cooked. Holy dooly, that was a super quick meal, wasn't it? I'm going to drain these vegetables and noodles and then throw in those vegetables in that sauce, which I'll probably do actually. That sounds like a good idea. Good idea, Cub. And yeah, yeehaw. Up the beach in my van, ready to have a little kip later on. Ocean at the back, no neighbours. Good stuff. I'll drain these and get back to you. Nice little setup. Rightio, so I've just incorporated the vegetables and the noodles into the tuna, and with that deglaze sauce, butter, sake sauce, I tell you what, it looks pretty good. After a hot day in the sun, a bit of surf, can't get much better than that. Pretty yummy. Alright, let's give it a go. And it is that easy and it's so good. That miso paste, it does all the work for you. And like, if you served that to someone who didn't know, but you know, like some Japanese food, they'll be blown away. That little hint of ginger is beautiful. I almost forgot that, luckily I remembered. The touch of soy, that butter of course is rich, but it also pulls it all together. That's the beauty of that butter or butter alternative. And the noodles are going to soak up all that goodness, and I tell you what, this is beautiful. One of my favorites. You could have it with a little bit of steamed rice. I'm pretty happy. I'm stoked. There's no one around. Me and my sake bottle. Kayak caught tuna. Beautiful and rich. So good. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty lucky really. I can yell. No one around. Go half mad. But yeah, so good. It's rich, and like you can cook it more than medium rare if you want. Totally up to you. I'm stoked with that. Alright, thanks so much. Good to see you again. I'm going to enjoy this, tuck into it. I'll catch you next time. Thanks. See ya. The noodles capture all that sauce. Sayonara.